How do you start coin collecting? Where do you start when you want to start coin collecting? I get asked this question all the time. You're faced with this question being a coin dealer, doing YouTube channels. People want you to give them the answers. And I do have an answer for you, but let me tell you what you don't do before we tell you what you do. Don't get your tablet, your phone, your computer, whatever, and go over to Google and type in the date of your coin and the denomination, like 1982 penny. When you do that, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see stuff like this that's not graded, or you're not even going to understand all of this, what all of this means. And there are people who have no mint mark on these. They have all kinds of small dates without a mint mark, thinking they're worth over $1,000, over $2,000. Then you're going to see all these videos. Without the tool I'm going to tell you need to have, you don't understand all of this. You don't know what Mint State 67 Red is. You don't know what PCGS is. You have no idea. So the only thing you see is a coin that looks like yours that someone's trying to sell for over $1,000, over $2,000. Then you go to a coin shop and guess what they're going to tell you? It's not worth that much, because that's not what it's sold for. That's what someone's trying to sell it for. What happens is someone just gets an idea, whether it be from the news, the media, an article, a video, whatever it is, or even a friend, that they're going to start collecting coins. So instead of buying the book, instead of starting out correctly, they just dive right into trying to find varieties interchange. So then they get a bunch of this different stuff together, they buy a microscope, they start seeing things they don't understand on their coin, they put it up in a group, people tell them that it's not what they think it is, and then they're frustrated. And because they tried to jump ahead. They didn't try to learn anything about the coin to begin with, or the minting process that created that coin. They tried to jump right on ahead. If you tried to do that when you were driving, that would be like taking a 16-year-old, putting them behind the wheel and putting them on a 6-lane highway in California during Thanksgiving rush hour. You got to think about this for a minute. You can't do things like that. You can't jump ahead like that. You have to go through the process of learning and go step by step and take your baby steps before you can take adult steps. That's just how it works. There's just no way around it. And a lot of you are going to think it's a cop-out, but it is the truth. If you want to start collecting coins, to learning about coins, this book right here will show you varieties too, the main ones to look for. If you've got this book at your disposal, you get out your Buffalo nickels, you get out Indian head cents, your Lincoln wheats, your Morgan dollars, your half dollars, dimes, whatever it is that you have, and you can look them up in here, go down through and read about it. You will learn so much if you get this book. This is how you start. You start with the book. You have to start with the book. There's just no other way. You are going to waste so much time if you do not buy the book first. That's why I'm telling people, it's not a cop-out to tell people to buy a book before they start buying their first coin or before they search their first coin. If you already have coins, that's fine. But get them out, get that book out, sit down with it, and learn some things. You have to learn on your own. You can't get frustrated at people online because they can't help you, because it takes books to learn this stuff, and we can't tell you in just a few sentences about your coins and how to collect your coins and how to do all this stuff. That's what coin clubs are for. You can go to coin dealers and ask them a little bit, but ultimately you have to sit down with the materials that you're provided with and try to educate yourself in order to save yourself so much time and frustration. And I'm not making any money off this. I'm not sponsored by Wizard Coin Supply, but over on Wizard Coin Supply, you can buy these, probably the best price going online. They have them for $32.99, plus you're going to have your ship. Anywhere else, they're in the $50 range. But you can get the latest edition over here on Wizard Coin Supply. It's just wizardcoinsupply.com. $32.99, plus you can buy some supplies over there. Like I said, I shop Wizard Coin Supply. I buy, I've got a dealer account with them, so I get a little bit of a discount. But I highly recommend that you come over here and buy this book. And matter of fact, even if you are already a coin collector and think you know everything, still yet, buy this book. Buy it anyway. You can share it with friends. You can teach people out of it. It is a textbook. If I'd started classes teaching people on coin, the requirement would be to buy this red book as part of the class curriculum. You would have to buy it. That's just the way it is. This would be one of the many books, but this is the main one that you'd have to have. So thanks for watching my video. Please share this video. Please hit the bell to subscribe, and have a great day.